All right, guys, we've been working here, 3B. We've got all the bolts here for the bell housing are all off, and we've got the front motor mounts, those are off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up. We're gonna kind of go towards the front to disconnect the input shaft, and we should have this engine block come out of the 3B. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go, Tanner. You ready? Here we go. All right, so you got to come up a little bit, and then you got to go forward a little bit to get that input shaft off. So there we are. Got the engine free. Now we can go up with it. All right, so now we're up and out. Let's spin her around, take a look to see what we got. And you can see the 2A out in the background. So here we go. Here's our engine block. Really gross. Got spider webs and all kinds of stuff. When we released this off the bell housing, junk just fell down like it's been open and in the air. This is the engine block that doesn't turn over. We'll try to get this unstuck, but in the meantime, we do have another block. What'd you find, Tanner?
Walnut.
We got walnut. So a walnut fell out when we disconnected this. We've already got peanuts that were in the oil bath. But here's an F-head block. We'll get this out. We'll probably try to salvage flywheel. Ring gear will get replaced. We'll end up using this rear engine mount plate. We'll probably end up using the same cover, same front engine mount plate, and then all new parts going in this from there. All right, guys, we're here over at our sandblaster. The frame has been blasted. We've got a broken battery tray here, so that'll get fixed up. We're gonna put brand new shackle brackets on the front and rear. This is gonna get powder coated. We're gonna get new bumpers, new cross members, our new bumper and new cross member put on. So it's looking pretty good. We've got the bare bones here. Take a look at the vehicles we have going on here. But yeah, progress is being made, and we're starting this off on the right foot. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it gets finished up.